Hello, my name is Seth Burton and I'm with C.B.I. Cables. I'm the marketing director here and we're at InfoComm 2016. Over here we have our CAT5 that we have on a reel, 300 feet. Comes with a 6-foot extension. Very convenient on a reel, easy to reel up, easy to install. It's made with our ultimate CAT5 heavy duty, 100% shielded. Uses Neutrik EtherCon NE8MC protection connectors, which upgrades to conventional RJ45 connector to an extremely robust lockable solution. Comes on a conventional reel. So that's our CAT5 with the ultimate cable. Our website is www.cbicables.com. Come check us out.